Fedora Silverblue versus OpenSUSE Aeon sounds like a niche Linux argument until you realize what's actually happening. Both systems are trying to kill the classic mess up your OS at 2 a.m. and reinstall everything Linux experience and replace it with something immutable, atomic, and basically unbreakable. The real question is whether that makes Linux finally user-friendly or just less flexible. Because both systems are built on the same idea, the core operating system is read-only. Instead of constantly installing system packages and risking dependency chaos, updates are atomic and reversible. If something breaks, you roll back instantly instead of praying to the package manager gods. Fedora Silverblue is Fedora's version of this future. It uses OS tree-based atomic updates, Flatpak for apps, and toolbox containers for development workflows. In practice, it feels like Fedora looked at traditional Linux and said, what if we stopped letting users accidentally destroy everything? OpenSUSE Aeon takes the same philosophy but pushes it further into automation and minimal user interaction. It's part of the Micro OS family and is designed to be self-healing, transactional, and heavily automated. Updates happen quietly in the background, and the system is built to just keep working without user intervention. Where Silverblue still feels like it expects you to know what a container is, Aeon feels like it's trying to make you forget the system even exists. One is developer-friendly immutable Linux, the other is just don't touch anything and it will be fine. Community reactions on Reddit and Linux forums are split in a very predictable way. Fedora users tend to prefer Silverblue because it still feels familiar and flexible for development workflows, especially with Toolbox and Flatpak integration. OpenSUSE users praise Aeon for being cleaner and more automated, but some worry it removes too much control and transparency from the system. And that's the real trade-off. Immutable Linux isn't about power anymore, it's about reliability. But reliability always comes with a hidden cost, control. So, after breaking it down properly, Fedora Silverblue is best for developers who want stability but still want to stay close to traditional Linux workflows using containers and Flatpaks. OpenSUSE Aeon is best for users who want a low-maintenance, self-healing system that basically runs itself in the background. Silverblue feels like Linux with guardrails. Aeon feels like Linux that drives itself. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.